Welcome to Dermat Vet. Dear friends, this is going to be a very sad video for me because my beloved, my most loving pet who is with me since last 8 years, means from 2011 he is with me. He is very critical today. Last Since last 1 week he was suffering from chronic kidney disease and all his kidney values were abnormal. Since last 8 to 10 days we are treating him, but the damage is so much that medicines are not working, and today he has become very critical. Dear friends, I wanted to share with all of you the story of Fighter, how he came into my life and how he made my life and the life of Planet Animal Hospital, which is my life, so much enriched, and so much he brought with him a positivity that everything changed so much, and he was a lucky mascot for me, and I made him my brand ambassador. Dear friends, in 2011, I think it was winter season, one of my friend Yash, he came to me with a small puppy and a stray puppy, and he said, "Sir, someone, when I was coming from Navi Mumbai, someone crushed his left leg and that was hanging." Then we performed all x-rays, we gave him the first aid, admitted him to my clinic, and next morning we did the surgery, and it was so much broken that was only hanging, and it is getting septic and gangrene, so we had to cut this leg. And then it was post-operative therapy for him, and he was so naughty and very playful and so much playing with all of us that 2-3 months he was with us, and then he started walking with all the three legs. He was not only walking, he was running all around the place, and I kept him in my lodging till that time, and I thought, why can't I adopt him in my clinic? And since 8-9 years he is with me, and whole these 8 years he never been sick. He was just given the normal vaccinations and deworming, but since last 15 days his condition got deteriorated and he started having weight loss, and then last week he was having vomiting. We started the treatment, his vomiting is under control, but now I think the values are so bad that I don't think he will make it, but if he makes it, that will be a miracle. Yeah. So whole day today I am sitting with him. Now he is on ventilator, oxygen support. His values are also very bad, but he is on medicines. But let us hope and pray that he comes out of this, and I know miracles happen, but still I think that Fighter should increase his willpower, and the way he is breathing, I am very much doubtful whether he will make it or not. Yeah. Dear friends, being a vet, I have seen a lot of pets dying in front of me, but when your own pet dies, or you're feeling that you're seeing him die in front of you, and though being a vet you cannot do anything that is the point where you feel you are helpless. I wanted to share his values with all of you, his blood report, that his hemoglobin has dropped to 4.4, his WBCs are 5.5, creat is 5.9, and BUN has gone up so high it is more than 130. So this is a very bad picture, and I would like to share with you how everything happened. After the clinic used to get closed, a dog feeder used to come in the evening, say 10:30, 11 o'clock, and used to feed him chicken legs with claws, without boiled. And he was liking that. He was getting gravy, everything here, but since he got addicted to that chicken legs, he was waiting for him and he was eating the chicken legs. And that's how his whole episode started. That's how his condition got deteriorated faster. Dear friends, though being a doctor I cannot do anything, I told you that is the worst feeling I am getting as a vet, as a dermat vet, as a senior vet, because any damage which happens to the body, and mainly the kidney damage, cannot be reversed. Liver damage can be reversed, but kidney damages are very difficult to reverse. I had thought of dialysis for him. I was talking to my friend who is in US. But now, if at all, worst come worst, if anything happens to him, I don't want to lose him. So I have my friend Dr. Gaikwad, who is in the Department of Anatomy in Bombay Veterinary College. Now it is called as Mumbai Veterinary College. He is taxidermist. So I give him a call and talk to him, and I want to make him, I want to keep him alive even after his death. He will stand on his 3 legs and his beautiful eyes will be looking at me, and his eyes will give me inspiration to live longer, inspiration to serve more animals, inspiration to serve more stray dogs, inspiration to help to all those who need me, even it is after my duty hours. Because of this, I want to keep him alive even after his death through taxidermy. Let us hope, dear friends, I contact Dr. Gaikwad and I take him to Dr. Gaikwad, and so that though his heartbeats won't be there like this because they are so fast now, that is an indication to me. But though there are no heartbeats, his heartbeats will be in my mind, and I will always remember him whenever I see him standing on his 3 legs in my Planet Animal Hospital. Thank you, dear friends. Thank you for watching me. Please pray for Fighter.